Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Thanks for coming to this channel once again. It is incredible to see you all at such an hour. Today, I will share information on something valuable that can give you permanent residency alongside citizenship in a brief period. So, let the video begin. So guys, today I will discuss the UK Innovator Visa program, which is the cheapest way to get PR or citizenship in the United Kingdom. The Innovator Visa program. That means something unique, innovation, like this guy has innovated a flying taxi. Can you believe that? By 2023, flying taxis between the two nearest cities with equal the price will serve customers. Honestly, this is an innovation, and this is the path to settle in the United Kingdom. Similarly, if you are an experienced businessman and want to set a new business in the United Kingdom, you can apply for the Innovator Visa. But always remember that your business idea should be innovative, viable, and scalable also. So let us see the eligibility to achieve the Innovator Visa, cause there is a price for everything as there is no free lunch. You must be able to show that your business idea is new. You cannot join a business that is already trading. Innovative means you must have an original business idea that is different from anything else on the market. Viable means is the applicant's business plan is realistic and achievable based on the applicant's available resources. Scalable means is the evidence of structured planning and potential for job creation and growth into national markets. It would help you have some knowledge of English means you can speak, can write and can read in English. That means you need to have a B2 level of English language. It would help if you were endorsed by an authorized body that is either a UK higher education institute or a business organization with a history of supporting UK entrepreneurs. So, if you don't know about the endorsement body, you can watch our previous video. The link is in the description box. You can stay 3 years and after that you can apply for an extension or settlement. Endorsing body will be present from the start of your business journey. Now the question is how you can apply from outside of United Kingdom. Documents needed: a valid passport or other documents that shows your identity and nationality. Bank statement showing you have at least £1,270 in savings in your bank account for 28 consecutive days before you apply. B2 level of English language is required, evidence of your investment funds, and you must have £50,000 getting a decision within 3 weeks. Now let us discuss the fees. How much you pay for an Innovator Visa depends on your situation and applying for the visa. If you are using from outside the UK, only for you must pay 1,021 British pounds, and for your children and partners you need to pay the same amount for each person. Now, if we discuss the healthcare charges, it will be £2,183 for single applicants for healthcare charges, and it gets double for multiple applicants. So what are the benefits of this visa? with an innovator visa, you can get permanent residency in the United Kingdom. After a certain period, you can get the citizenship also. Enroll on the excellent British healthcare system, that is NHS, and other medical programs available for you and your family. Get state of the British education. Significantly, the British language and English pronunciation that can transform the world. Set up a business or several businesses in your domain. Work for your business. This includes being employed as director or self-employed or entrepreneur on your business. Travel the world visa free as well as open more businesses in the world. Here is a quick recap. It is the most cheapest and fastest way to achieve the permanent residency in the United Kingdom. UK Innovator Visa is truly into innovation, like the person has innovated a flying car or anything at your potential. The business idea should be scalable with the basic documentations needed. So that is it, guys. There are more informations available on UK Innovator Visa at our website. Kindly browse at immigrationultimate.co.in, and if you like this channel, kindly do not forget to subscribe and like our videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.